Okay.
Naka-on ka na?
Yes. Yes.
Hello.
Yeah. What up?
Another nice morning.
Yes. Siyempre. What's up, guys? What's you doing? Today is, I would say, a big day. A big day because, siyempre, bilang family, bilang somebody who has like son, kids, children, big day today, guys, sa Ireland. Kasi today is the result of
Junior cert.
Yes, lalabas
Junior
o
cert.
lumabas na.
So, ito pong junior cert, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam or mga hindi taga dito sa Ireland, tinitake ng, ng third year high school student to see yung, paano mo, so,
Hindi, parang siya.
it's a test.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a test na kasi kung may natutunan ba sila, anong level ba sila, ganyan. And then it will kinda parang prepare them for living cert. Ayan na, yung living cert na yan, yung result niya, yan talaga yung matindi. Kasi dyan mabibase yung ano ba yung kukuhanin nila o course pag nag-college na sila. So they really need a good or really high score. And we are so happy sa bata na yung aming panganay, Cesar, he really did well.
Yeah.
Sa nagmana?
Siyempre, di ba? Alam na, guys. We're actually outside sa malapit lang sa school. The other boys nasa school pa sila, but early yung labas nung panganay namin because of the
Junior
cert result. It came out today and we are happy with the results. Sa mga parents na meron din silang anak sa Ireland, they can relate.
Yeah, and congratulations sa mga mommies, daddies.
Yeah.
Diba? Hindi lang sa anak nila, kumbaga, yan naman ay para din sa magulang.
Correct.
Nakakatawa. So, isipin mo yung, yung life talaga, yung stages na nandito na tayo. Just remembering nung ipinasok natin siya sa junior infants, or yung sa play school pa lang, di ba? Play school, yung halos, I was really teared. So, we were teary eyes. I was teary eyes nung dinala namin siya. And he was only 3 years old that time. So, 12 years after that, now he's 15 and he has his junior cert.
Yeah,
So
all
happy.
good.
So proud. Remember nung he did his mock test, may sakit pa siya noon, pa.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, may sakit siya, but he did well actually,
Did well,
even
even
though
though
he wasn't well that time.
Tapos, syempre, ito na yung nila mismo. Kumbaga, ito na.
Ito na yun eh.
Ito na yun.
So at least he will know now where to focus, kung ano ba yung dapat niyang i-improve for the living cert.
Shout out to our friend there in Germany, Robin Masters. So, Alemania friend,
Yeah.
welcome, shout out. How's the weather there in Germany? By the way, we are in a cafe. The name of the cafe is Witch and Brew.
Yes.
I'm having sourdough bread with avocado
Avocado on toast.
and toast.
Yes.
Yeah.
And of course, ako, fasting. I'm doing fasting. because I've been bold yesterday. I was invited to a Sudanese breakfast. Oh, it was so nice. Lots of nice food, and I actually learned a lot from them there about their culture. So with them, they don't eat meat during breakfast, apa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So anyway, not too much of a detail because that's kind of a private thing for you guys. Right. Ito, si Mrs. K. T.
Yes, our Unimati tea.
Now, I'm having a brunch. Never had anything since last night. This is my first meal of the day. Siyempre, healthy naman ang ating kinakain. At maintain tayo sa fasting from last night. Tapos umaga, di tayo kumakain ng food talaga. And siyempre, ito, kakainin natin, kind of healthier, even though may carbs siya, pero sourdough bread. Yan. But siyempre, mas maganda kung if you're really wanting to lose weight, siyempre, avoid mo yung carbs, even though clean carbs siya.
And of course, extending your fasting time.
Yes. Oh. That's why ito, yan, si Mrs. K, until now, even wala siyang cravings. Inom siya ng inom lang ng tea. Kahit kumakain kami nung aming anak.
It's self-control.
Yeah. But anyway, panganay natin, we treated him dito while waiting for the other. Well, we won't be waiting for the other kids, but since maaga siyang lumabas,
Makatapos, yes.
yeah, well, we said, why don't we go and have something to eat para lang, kumbaga, celebratory brunch. Yeah. Yan. At pasalamat talaga na in fairness naman yung ating anak, maganda yung kanyang scores, hindi lang scores kundi medyo tumataginting yung ating mga distinctions dyan. So, happy. Alam na natin kung, well, yung mga ating mga taga-Ireland, alam na kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng distinction. So, hindi natin masyadong i-detail, pero, yeah, medyo, kahit pa paano, nakakapagbilang tayo ng distinction sa kanyang result. So, alhamdulillah. Diba? Okay.
Kamusta po sa mga nanonood na nasa Pilipinas?
Yeah, you can
Ah.
you can see.
Oh, I can. Okay, sino bang natin? Hi! Kamusta kay Lush? Kamusta na? O, diba?
Yeah. And then sa atin pong mga gumagamit ng ating
Feel good system?
ano tayo, tuloy-tuloy and all these things, right? Kaya yan, maganda yung sistema na yan kasi syempre kagaya niyan yung you're drinking, yeah. Meron pa ba tayong may mga ano ba yan nandyan sa ano?
So sabi na Lush, she just had her balanced drink. Yes, ready for lunch na.
Yeah.
Oo. Basta keep going sa ating goal. Diba? Kaya yan. Sa mga nag-wonder kung ano ba itong ating ipinopromote, mag-message lang po kayo. And it's all about health. Kumbaga, mas maganda talaga yung preventative. Diba? Mas maganda, mas maganda talaga yon. Kasi naman yung may sakit na tayo, bago tayo gagawa ng paraan. Diba? Pinaka-importante talaga is yung health natin.
Yeah.
Tsaka, syempre, everything kasi, okay, madami ng solusyon, yung mga, tawag ito, mga injectables and everything. Pero mas maganda pa rin talaga yung natural. And, yes, andito lang po kami. For more information, PM lang kayo. Yan, mukhang ano ba? Mainit ba?
I have it.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you can show him.
Yeah.
That's why.
So we're great at
You can tell him you had distinction. What did you get? High merit. Higher merit.
anyway.
Yes. Ano pa ba? Ano pa bang pwede natin pag-usapan?
You have to look there.
Yeah,
and then-
okay. We'll see. Wow, talaga naman, di ba? Sabi ni Losh, no cravings. Kita niyo naman ako, kumakain sila, pero ako hindi ako kumakain. Kasi talagang no cravings. Di ba? Ang galing. At hindi lang ako nagpapatunay niyan, si Losh din. So, ano pang inintay nyo? DM lang po sa mga gustong magbalik alindog. Diba, apa? Namimiss mo na ang aking sourdough bread.
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you call it? My sourdough starter is sleeping at the moment because of the weather. Medyo malamig, kaya hindi siya masyadong tawag dito, ano tawag doon? Parang umaalsa or tahimik ang aking sourdough. Sleeping pa siya. But hopefully, so I'm waiting for something to help it grow.
Yeah.
Ang ganda ng ambience dito sa mga hindi pa nakakapunta. Sa tapat lang siya ng People's Park. It's a nice ambience.
You don't need to go like that. No, like go like this.
Yeah.
Kasi, ano yun,
Wala bang mata?
you could go closer like, rather than.
Hello Hans.
Oh?
Ignacio.
Yeah. And
Anything else?
like yeah. Nothing.
Bigyan mo naman ng review yung kinakain mo. They
Siyempre,
cannot see it, no?
no. Anyway, it's just sourdough bread, avocado, crushed avocado, and then
It's
just like
actually like the typical breakfast that I make at home.
no. Honestly, mas masarap yung ginagawa mo.
Di ba? Mas masarap yung ginagawa ko, kaya mag-open na po ako ng cafe.
Mas
Magpa-book na kayo.
mas kumpleto.
Yeah.
Kasi siyempre ito, binibenta na to eh. Anything kasi na binibenta, alam naman natin, if it's commercialized, yung ano niya, hindi na kasing wala na yung, hindi yung personalized kasi, talagang lahat.
But it's
Iba yung
nice to, yeah, I prepare better, but of course, it's nice to go out from, you know, sa ibang araw, masarap naman yung iba yung nagsiserve sa'yo. Ayan. And then to try, kasi kami talaga ni Don, when we go out, mahilig kaming mag-try ng different food, and then, pag uwi sa bahay, maybe I could recreate it. Alam mo yun, parang we're always kasi, nagtatry ng mga ibang bagay. And to learn from it din. And yung mga kids, ganun, sanay din sila sa iba't ibang klaseng food. Especially boys, yung mga anak namin, talagang sila, mahilig sa food.
Yeah.
madami ang serving nila kumpara sa iba.
Oh yeah. Yung iba
No,
kasi,
that's like 3
parang
toast, no?
isang tinapay lang yung iba eh.
Oo, and that is how much siya pa?
Around 10? This is only 10.
It's actually,
It's a tenner.
yes.
And then there's like 2 eggs.
Fresh look, it's only 10 euro.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really good. Yeah, 10 euro.
Yeah. Pero syempre guys, ibalik lang natin doon, no? Sa system na we are promoting. Ito, lalabas ka kakain ng 10 euro, ganon. So, yung ating pinopromote is way less than this. Tapos, isang buong araw na siya. Kumbaga, may mga nagtatanong kasi na bakit
Mahal.
hindi, magtatanong kasi ang tao normally, yung presyo agad yan eh. Na
Oo.
parang ganun. It's always like the presyo. Instead na itanong kung ano yung benefit pa masyado. Hindi ko nga alam kung tinatanong ba yung presyo ba, tapos yung benefit, ano ba yung binabalance ba nila?
Siguro it's natural na magtanong kagad ng presyo kasi syempre, mahirap din naman ang buhay talaga. Kahit
Correct.
saan yan, sa Pilipinas or sa Ireland, mahirap ang buhay. And then, we have our, yung parang mga ginagastos. But then, it will always come to, ano ba ang importante sa'yo? Diba?
Yung kasing health natin,
Health is your wealth.
yeah, hindi tayo makakapagtrabaho kung masama yung pakiramdam natin. So, in result, ang mangyayari, mawawalan ka rin ng trabaho. Kaya, we really have to emphasize na,
Yes, kasi lalo na yun
Yeah.
yung ang daming findings ngayon na pag talagang yung insulin spike talaga, yan yung nagkukos ng maraming problems sa atin, even our skin, di ba? So, we have to fix talaga yung what's inside us bago pa tayo magpalagay ng mga injections dyan or kung ano-ano pa. Well, fix your inside muna. Yun yung sa akin. I think that's what my beliefs. Alam mo, even when I was young, lagi akong kasi mahilig talaga akong magbasa sa mga beauty sections sa magazine. And lagi naman yan na sinasabi na importante is yung kinakain mo at yung ginagawa mo. And then lalabas yan sa skin. Because I remember when I was in the Middle East, there was a time din na medyo parang pumangit yung skin ko kasi sa kinakain. Ganon. But thank God, never naman ako yung talagang nagkaroon ng maraming pimples, ganyan. Because I always look after myself. Especially sa mga kinakain. Ikaw ba pa? Growing up, hindi siya makapagsalita kasi kumakain. Enjoy mo, malapit na. But in fairness talaga, yun, yung ating pinopromote na system is maganda. Ang dami po talagang nagme-message sa'yo. Nakakatawa na to promote something na nakakatulong ka, diba? Na nagbe-benefit talaga yung mga tao. Nakakatuwa talaga. Na ito yung sinasabi natin na when you do something na may magandang result sa kapwa mo, nakakataba ng puso. Ngayon. Kaya po yung talaga we're very passionate about this system and talagang kung gusto namin nakakausap yung tao, nag-guide ng maayos. So hopefully hindi naman po nakukulitan yung mga client pagka nangangamusta kami. Kasi gusto lang din naming malaman kung ano ba siya, kung nafa-follow yung steps, yung system, and kung ano yung improvement sa inyo. Yun.
anything?
Yes. Check natin. Sorry. Si Jeffrey Velasco and Romel, hello. Watching sila. Jeffrey, message ka na. Kamusta na? Kung mag-enjoy ka dyan isang subo na lang daw. At at least maganda ang araw ngayon. Medyo maliwanag ngayon. Because the past few days, nagkaroon ng ng masama yung panahon and storm. Yeah, we had a storm. Pero mild lang naman siya. And mild lang dito sa Waterford. And then, yun, maulan lang ng ilang araw. So, okay naman. Ayan na, ready na siya. Ikaw naman magkwento.
Our son here is kind of embarrassed now that we're doing something.
Dahil yung teacher niya ay nandito at ang parents niya ay naka-online. Medyo na-embarrass. Andito ang kanyang teacher.
But the best thing about this product that we are promoting is that we're actually consuming the product as well, guys. Ito kasi pagka medyo nandun ka sa side na medyo malusog tayo, when I mean malusog, medyo
big build.
Medyo nag-gain tayo ng weight, for example. Siyempre, kailangan mo din para mas maganda yung effect niya is i-follow mo talaga yung protocol, yung system. Tapos, on top of that, kailangan din tingnan mo yung kinakain mo. But the product itself is not saying, or even the system itself is not saying that you really have to have like a strict diet plan. But, it's a no-brainer. If you're going to do exercise, if you're going to follow, sort of think of what food to eat, then obviously you'll be losing so much. Like, it's quicker, it's faster. That's the way it is. I don't need to tell you.
Yeah.
I mean,
And
everybody knows that.
And the good thing about this system is you won't feel guilty na kumain ka because of the fiber matrix, di ba?
Yeah.
Yun yung hindi ka magigilty. Okay, especially now, mag-holiday season, Christmas is coming, maraming handaan.
Yeah.
So, once you take this fiber matrix, bago kayo kumain, you won't feel guilty. Yun yung maganda rito.
It's cool, it's I never would have thought that merong system na ganito. Now, when you eat, it feels like pagkatapos mo kumain, you won't be feeling tired, you won't be feeling like, I want bed or something like that.
Yeah.
Because the action of the fiber matrix is that once it goes down into your
Body. Stomach.
in your stomach or into your intestine, it will cover the lining, okay? And then what it does, it acts as like a cushion, kumbaga. So when the real food or the food that you've eaten will go down, it will be slowly absorbed. At the same time, the glucose absorption in our bloodstream will be slower as well. That's why the insulin spike will be sort
Slower as well.
kind of a maintained, sort of in a plateau rather than spiking. So that's why it's so effective. Because remember, when the insulin is high, it means you're in a storing mode. Your body is storing fats.
But if it's in plateau or flat, it means
You're just
burning.
Yeah,
So, continue ang burning ng fats natin.
Yeah.
Yun yung maganda rito. Kaya sabi ko nga, you won't feel guilty na kumain. Diba? Kasi kumbaga, pagkain ka, store ka na naman ng store.
Yeah.
But this one, nagbe-burn ka ng fats.
Yes. And it always goes down to kung gusto mo talaga na yung prevention na tinatawag, as they say, prevention is better than cure.
Yes.
We cannot emphasize more how important health is. Kasi kami, we know that because we work in the hospital. we know what's
Yeah, we
really...
meet a lot of people na talagang nagkakasakit. So,
Yeah.
it's, ito lagi namin sinasabi bilang mag-asawa from dati nung unang-una pa, maliliit pa yung mga bata. Ito talaga yung awakening sa amin na sabi namin, we have to take care of ourselves. Kasi, paano na lang yung mga batang ito? Alam mo yun, sino yung mag-aalaga? Sila kasi, it's just me and him dito sa Ireland. So, we have to take care of ourselves to be able to take care of our children. Laging yun yung ano namin, yung parang motto namin mag-asawa. Ganon.
Tapos yung kasi yung mga, siyempre ating mga kababayan, OFWs, we were once tagged as OFWs, pero siyempre naging citizen na tayo dito sa Ireland. Pero yan guys, parati naman nag-umpisa tayo sa OFW na tinatawag.
Yes.
Pero pag nasa Ireland ka, pare-pares naman tayo. Kinikita natin, halos ganun din naman yan, pare-pares yan because of tax and all these deductions. Pero at the end of the day, yung katawan natin, ang ating machine sa pagtatrabaho. So, isipin natin, ano bang perang kinikita ko? Ipangiinom ko ba? Gagastos ko ba into something na, alam mo yung parang, at the end of the day, yes, okay, gagastos ka,
Sumaya
good time ka.
pang good time mo. And then, yeah.
Pero, ang mangyari, magkakasakit tayo, kaya hinay-hinay lang, if hindi kayang tigilan ng pag-iinom, hinay-hinay lang tayo. Kasi, talagang, guys, it's a reality na magkakasakit talaga yung tao pagka inabuso natin ang sarili natin.
Yes.
Ganon.
And you know what? Sa buhay ng tao, it will only take one sentence from the doctor and everything parang is not important. Pag ang doktor nagsabi sa'yo, no, eto, ganyan, wala na. Parang nothing is more important. Parang, alam mo yun. So, huwag na nating paabutin sa ganun. Oh yes, sasabihin, lahat naman tayo doon nagpunta. But, you don't want to be in the hospital pag nangyari yun, di ba? Yung parang, okay, pwede ka namang magkasakit or mamamatay naman yung tao, but it can be in a nice way. Hindi yung spend mo yung life mo sa hospital, yung the remaining days sa hospital. Yun yung dapat nating maiwasan.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Hindi naman sa nananakot
Hindi
tayo,
nananakot,
pero
kumbaga,
reality lang.
talk. Yun lang.
Kaya maganda, habang buhay tayo, we enjoy din naman yung ating company, yung ating yung day-to-day living natin. Hindi tayo in pain, kumbaga. Yeah, mga ganun lang ang bagay-bagay. Itong ano natin, no? Hindi siya ma-scroll eh. Kung ano yung
Siyempre.
that's the only thing. Meron tayong
Hindi lang po namin makita kung sino yung online. But hello sa mga nanonood.
yung screen natin.
Direct message lang po si Mr. and Mrs. K sa mga interested sa aming FGS system.
Yes.
Guys, user din kami.
Yes.
And it's really, it tastes good.
Yeah. It can, kasi, parang, it will assist you in prolonging your fasting state. The longer you are fasting, the more you are burning fats. So, yung kinain mo kanina, kinain mo kahapon, kinain mo nung isang taon, bine-burn nyo po yan habang naka-fasting kayo. So, isipin nyo, kailan kayo huli nag-fast? Because the only way to eradicate that liver, that fatty liver, is by fasting. Even though, for example, exercise, hindi siya ganun kabilis mawala yung fatty liver natin kung hindi dahil sa, if you're not fast.
Yeah.
Kaya-
So guys, actually, last meal ko last night was 9 o'clock. So it's 9 o'clock and then 1 o'clock na. So how long was that? So 12 hours yung 9 o'clock. So I've been fasting for the last 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 hours na.
16 hours.
16 hours na.
So it's
Normally
quite good.
kasi, I fast for like 16 hours. Let's see, but most of the time 16 hours fasting, and then I could do 20 hours as well depending sa situation. But this one, Unimate, will increase your fasting state. So I could last
Yeah.
maybe for more than 20 hours of fasting.
Pero syempre guys, hindi naman sa fasting ka ng fasting lang. Kailangan din ng nutrients mo. Kaya the brilliance about this system is that yes, you will be able to fast longer, but they are taking care of you din naman sa yung parang nutrients mo. That's why they created the fiber matrix. Kaya sulit talagang meron kang kumbaga
Protection.
yeah,
It's
may
a protection.
yeah, tapos yung parang nutrients mo, yung pagkain mo, pag inom mo pa lang ng fiber matrix, may multivitamins na siya. Tapos ang mangyari, itong siyempre pag kumain ka, nutrients mo din yon. Unlike yung kagaya ng kasi aminin na natin, marami nagpapa-inject dyan ng Ozempic, di ba? Ozempic is a GLP-1 synthetic. Kumbaga, GLP-1 receptor agonist ang tawag niya sa mga Ozempic na yan. So, anything that is synthetic, hindi siya galing sa katawan natin. Now, etong ganda nito, itong iniinom ni Mrs. K, the more na umiinom siya nito, the more she's triggering her intestine to produce GLP-1 hormone. And as we know, GLP-1 hormone is responsible in telling the brain, or if not promoting, satiety. Parang isipin ng brain, busog tayo.
Yes.
Yun. Tapos,
Yeah, and then of course yung balik tayo sa fiber matrix, talagang hindi nakaka-guilty kumain. 'Di ba, Lush? Kasi ayan sabi nga ni Lush, nakakatagal na siya ng 18 hours fasting, 'di ba? Nakakatuwa. And then pagka uminom ka na nung yung fiber matrix, hindi ka na guilty kumain ng madami, or kung ano man, kain ka ng cake, 'di ba? Yung mga sweets natin diyan, ayos.
and then, one of the things that you will notice, parang mabilis siyang manotice mo, is yung face mo. Pag tumingin ka sa salamin, medyo yung parang inflammation mo,
Yes.
yung swelling, kumbaga, swelling mo sa face mo, magdi-decrease yun, tapos magkakaroon ka ng mga kurba-kurba na sa face mo kasi yung visceral fats nawawala.
Ayun.
Kaya parang hindi ka na
Actually, yun yung unang napapansin ng mga client natin, na lumiit daw
Yeah.
yung face nila. Meron pa nga nagsabi, lumiit daw ang braso niya. O, di ba nakakatuwa yun?
Yeah. Tapos, ano siya even though you're not really exerting much effort, but behind it, it's working. It's working. Although it can be slower para sa mga ibang tao. Depende sa tao kung ano yung activities nila, ano yung kinakain nila. All depends like that. Pero in general, people are losing weight and then they are getting like healthier.
Yes.
Within.
And then of course, yung ano sila, yung ano ba parang sasabihin yun? They have more energy. Yun yung importante eh. Diba? Yung may energy ka, yung masigla ka.
So, yun. So, guys, thank you very much sa pag-join sa amin. Hanggang sa muli na naman tayo. Yung mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe ng aming podcast, just go, tara, let's talk, and then all good. Okay. Until next
Direct
time.
message lang po kami eh.
Thank you so much.
Until next time, guys. Okay. You're okay.
Thank you sa mga nanood po. Thank you, Lush. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Talk to you
Until
soon.
next.